When it comes to securing your home, one of the most essential aspects is your entry points, particularly your doors. The door to your home is not only a gateway to your living space but also a primary line of defense against intruders. Whether your existing door is aging, outdated, or simply not as secure as it could be, new door installation can make a dramatic difference in enhancing your home's security features. This home improvement project offers far more than just a fresh look. It provides peace of mind and significant protection for you and your loved ones. In this article, we'll explore the many ways new door installation can bolster your home's security and why it's a smart investment for any homeowner. Stronger materials for better protection. One of the most significant ways that new door installation enhances your home's security is through the materials used in modern doors. Older doors, especially those made from wood, can deteriorate over time, losing their strength and ability to withstand forceful impacts. New doors, on the other hand, are made from materials designed to resist break-ins. Steel doors. A popular choice for enhancing home security is the steel door. Steel is a highly durable material that is nearly impossible to break through. Whether it's a front door or a patio door, a steel door offers superior protection against attempted break-ins. Fiberglass doors. Another excellent option is fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is both strong and lightweight, and modern fiberglass doors can mimic the appearance of wood, giving you the best of both worlds, security and aesthetic appeal. These doors are also resistant to warping or cracking, even under pressure. Solid core doors. For maximum protection, consider solid core doors, which are made with a solid material, often wood or composite, that offers greater resistance to force than hollow core doors. These doors also offer excellent soundproofing qualities, in addition to improving your home's security. By installing a stronger door made from durable materials like steel or fiberglass, you can significantly reduce the risk of forced entry into your home. Upgraded locking systems for extra security locks are a critical element in keeping your home secure, and upgrading your door's locking system is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your home's overall security. New doors often come with more advanced locking features compared to older models, providing a higher level of protection. Multi-point locks. New doors can be equipped with multi-point locking systems, which lock the door in several places along the frame. This makes it more difficult for intruders to force the door open, as they would need to overcome multiple locks at once. Deadbolts and smart locks. Adding a deadbolt is a simple way to enhance security. For even greater convenience and control, consider installing smart locks. Smart locks allow you to lock and unlock your door remotely, monitor access logs, and receive alerts when someone enters your home, giving you full control over who has access to your property. Reinforced strike plates. Along with an upgraded lock, a reinforced strike plate ensures that the locking mechanism stays secure even under pressure, preventing the door frame from splitting or warping during an attempted break-in. By upgrading your lock system and incorporating advanced features like multi-point locks and smart locks, you can ensure that your home is as secure as possible. Better seals for enhanced weatherproofing. While security is a top priority, weatherproofing is another key benefit of new door installation. Older doors often have seals that wear down over time, leaving gaps around the door frame. These gaps not only allow heat and air to escape, increasing your energy bills, but they can also compromise your home's security. Tight seals. New doors come with high-quality weather stripping and seals that fill any gaps around the frame, preventing cold drafts, rain, and debris from entering your home. This can be especially beneficial in areas prone to extreme weather. Energy efficiency. With proper insulation and a tight seal, your new door will also help improve the overall energy efficiency of your home, reducing your heating and cooling costs. A well-sealed door not only enhances your home's comfort but also makes it more difficult for intruders to exploit any weak points. Enhanced visibility and smart features. Many modern doors offer features that allow you to monitor who is at your door, adding another layer of security. Smart doors and smart doorbells with integrated cameras let you keep an eye on your property remotely. Security cameras. Some new doors come with built-in security cameras that allow you to see and communicate with visitors through your smartphone, even if you're not home. This gives you greater control over access and adds a layer of security, as potential intruders are less likely to target a home with visible surveillance. Peepholes and smart viewers. In addition to cameras, some new doors feature smart peepholes that give you a digital view of the area outside your door. This can provide added peace of mind when answering the door, especially during the night or when you're not expecting visitors. By installing a door with integrated smart technology, you can enhance your home's security features and enjoy greater peace of mind. Increased home value. While the primary goal of installing a new door is often security, it's worth noting that a new door can also enhance your home's curb appeal and market value. A high-quality, modern door gives your home an updated, attractive look, which is appealing to potential buyers. Aesthetic appeal. The first impression visitors or potential buyers have of your home is often shaped by the exterior, including your door. A modern, stylish door can enhance your home's overall appearance, making it more attractive and inviting. Return on investment. New doors offer an excellent return on investment, especially when they contribute to both security and curb appeal. They are an affordable upgrade that adds substantial value to your home. Conclusion. New door installation is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's security features. Whether you're looking for stronger materials, advanced locking systems, better seals, or integrated smart technology, upgrading your door provides enhanced protection and peace of mind. Additionally, it can increase your home's value and curb appeal, making it a smart investment. Whether you're upgrading for security, comfort, or aesthetics, new doors are a vital addition to any home.